Nyaga constituency. And I also worked in Radio Uganda, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Many of you who are in the media, you are all my colleagues. The FDC Party Electoral Commission has gone through the process of elections from the village to the district as guided by the party constitution, Article 29, Clause 2. The constitutional mandate was supported by the National Executive Committee, which adopted the guidelines and the structure building roadmap. The process of elections was preceded with the village elections on the 17th of July 2023. On that same note, the National Council, sitting on the 28th of July 2023, under the stewardship of Ambassador Waswa Birigwa, resolved that districts that elected their leaders continue as scheduled, and for those districts that had not elected their leaders, do so under the guidance and consultation with the FDC Electoral Commission. Following the resolution, the Electoral Commission released a residual party structure building roadmap and encouraged all pending districts to elect their leaders within the period. The residual party building roadmap was scheduled to take effect from 11th of August to the 18th of August 2023. On the same note, Kasese held a district conference on the 12th of August, and the Electoral Commission, in its guidance, was present. The district conference resolved to hold the elections of Kasese district from 14th of August to the 30th of August. Kasese cited insecurity as the key delaying factor and requested for more time. This was granted to them, and we in a very special way thank them for holding such a very colorful district conference, which saw Mr. Kabuko Ronald win the seat of the FDC district chairman, taking over from Mr. Saul Mate. We had a target to carry out elections in 71,230 villages, 10,595 parishes, 2,211 sub-counties, 353 constituencies, and 150 districts. At each level, we were to elect 9 members of the Youth League, 9 members of the Women League, and 8 serving the party at both local and national levels. The party, and specifically the Electoral Commission, is proud of you. We request all of you to continue to be responsible persons in your community and offer leadership that is due. By elections, the FDC party is actively part of the LC5 by-elections in Hoima district. We are pleased to inform and request the people of Hoima district to support the FDC candidate, Mr. Musinguzi Patrick, who was nominated through a lot of planned state hardship on the 30th of August 2023. We remind the nation that Hoima is a very important district for its vast natural endowments. First, it's an oil land, a tourist catchment, and a place where farming has been of great importance to the lives of the indigenous people of Hoima Uganda, and the world at large. However, with the vast benefits of the district, opportunists have schemes to grab people's land where illegal evictions have taken place, with people's houses burnt down in the night. We continue to stand with the people of Kapapi, Kigorobya, Rwowinyonyi, Buraro, etc. Our candidate Mushenguzi Patrick petitioned the Ministry of Lands for the good of the community. This is how the people